Have you ever wondered what makes you feel attracted to someone? Why do you get butterflies in your stomach when you see them? Why do you feel a rush of euphoria when you kiss them? And why do you feel a deep bond with them over time? Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating and interesting topics about everything. Today's topic is, why do we fall in love? Love is one of the most universal and profound human experiences, but also one of the most mysterious and elusive. Scientists in fields ranging from anthropology to neuroscience have been studying love for decades, trying to understand its biological, psychological, and social aspects. And while we still don't have all the answers, we have learned a lot about what happens in our brains and bodies when we fall in love. According to a team of scientists led by Dr. Helen Fisher at Rutgers University, romantic love can be broken down into three categories: lust, attraction, and attachment. Each category is characterized by its own set of hormones stemming from the brain. Lust is driven by the desire for sexual gratification. The evolutionary basis for this stems from our need to reproduce, a need shared among all living things. Through reproduction, organisms pass on their genes, and thus contribute to the perpetuation of their species. The hypothalamus of the brain plays a big role in this, stimulating the production of the sex hormones testosterone and estrogen from the testes and ovaries. These hormones increase our libido and make us more receptive to sexual cues. Attraction is the stage when we feel drawn to a specific person and focus our attention on them. This is when we experience the exhilarating feelings of passion, excitement, and obsession that are often associated with falling in love. The reward system of the brain is responsible for this, releasing a cocktail of neurotransmitters that make us feel good. These include dopamine, which gives us a sense of pleasure and motivation, norepinephrine, which makes us alert and energized, and serotonin, which regulates our mood and appetite. Attachment is the stage when we develop a lasting bond with our partner and feel emotionally connected to them. This is when we experience the feelings of comfort, security, and trust that are essential for a long-term relationship. The attachment system of the brain mediates this, releasing two hormones that promote social bonding, oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin is often called the love hormone, or the cuddle hormone, because it is released during physical contact such as hugging, kissing, or cuddling. Vasopressin is also involved in pair bonding and monogamy, as well as regulating water balance in the body. These three stages of love are not mutually exclusive. They can overlap and interact with each other in various ways. For example, lust can enhance attraction by increasing arousal, attraction can enhance attachment by increasing intimacy, and attachment can enhance lust by increasing familiarity. However, they can also conflict with each other. For example, lust can interfere with attachment by reducing commitment, attraction can interfere with lust by increasing anxiety, and attachment can interfere with attraction by reducing novelty. So far, we have looked at some of the biological factors that influence how we fall in love. But what about the psychological and social factors? How do we choose who we fall in love with? A large body of research suggests that we fall in love neither by chance nor by accident. We both consciously and unconsciously select those with whom we have intimate relationships based on various criteria such as physical appearance, personality traits, values, beliefs, attitudes, interests, goals, etc. One of the most important factors that determines whether we fall in love with someone or not is reciprocal liking, the extent to which we perceive that they like us back. Studies have shown that reciprocal liking increases attraction and liking more than any other factor. This makes sense from an evolutionary perspective. If someone likes us back, it means they are more likely to cooperate with us, share resources with us, protect us from threats, etc. Another important factor that influences our choice of partner is attractive personality, the extent to which we perceive that they have desirable qualities such as kindness, intelligence, humor, etc. Studies have shown that attractive personality can compensate for unattractive physical appearance or even increase physical attractiveness in our eyes. This also makes sense from an evolutionary perspective. If someone has an attractive personality, it means they are more likely to be compatible with us, support us emotionally, provide us with stimulation, etc. Of course, there are many other factors that affect how we fall in love, such as proximity, how close we are physically or geographically; similarity, how much we have in common; complementarity, how much we balance each other out; familiarity, how well we know each other; mystery, how much we don't know about each other, etc. The relative importance of these factors may vary depending on the individual preferences or cultural norms. In conclusion, falling in love is a complex phenomenon that involves multiple biological systems as well as psychological and social processes. It is influenced by both internal factors such as hormones and neurotransmitters as well as external factors such as appearance and personality. It is both rewarding and challenging. It can bring us joy and pain. It can make us stronger or weaker. It can inspire us or destroy us. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious,